Hello friends, this is Carin Lynch from the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we're going to make another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to make a garlic hummus. Alrighty, so here are our ingredients. We're going to start with some chickpeas. These are cooked chickpeas. You could use canned chickpeas or you could cook them yourself. It's really up to you. We've got some lemon juice, some olive oil, and some Himalayan pink salt, as well as some garlic, tahini. But if you don't have tahini is just like a sesame seed paste. You could use some sesame seeds. What I do is I just toast some sesame seeds and put that in there to get that tahini flavor. We've got some paprika, which we're going to garnish with paprika, and we also have a little bit of water to make it the right consistency. All right, if you've ever seen any of my videos, you know my favorite kind of cooking is either everything in the blender or everything in the bowl or everything in the pot. Today, everything in the blender. We'll start with our chickpeas. Garlic, tahini, lemon juice, our olive oil, our salt, and lastly, our water. Then we're just going to blend this till we get a nice consistency, a smooth, spreadable consistency to go on a cracker, a pita chip, or a vegetable. All right, once your hummus is finished, I like to just take a little bit of paprika and put that on there. Gives it a little flavor, but it also gives it a little brightness too. Perfect. And there you have it, a delicious garlic hummus. You can't believe that that's how easy it is to make healthy food. But you know the best part of the day is to give it a try. This hummus pops with garlic, with a nice lemony in the background. It's just so delicious. You are going to love it. Well, friends, our time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health, or our Facebook page, Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Thanks and have a great day.